In this video, I will show you how to fix Nvidia Control Panel not opening Windows 11. So let's jump straight into it. Now, there's a couple of things you're going to want to check and do in order to fix this problem. The first thing you're going to want to do is make sure that your graphics driver is up to date. To do this, from your desktop, come down to your taskbar at the bottom. In the search box, you want to go ahead and type Device Manager, and then open up your Device Manager underneath Best Match. So what that's going to do is open up your Device Manager. From here, you want to find Display Adapters. You can see that's just here, and then click the small arrow next to this to bring up your graphics card. So you can see for myself, I've got the Nvidia GeForce RTX 4060. All you need to do is right click onto your graphics card, click the option to update driver, and then search automatically for drivers. Now, if there is an update available, it's going to take you through the steps to update your drivers. As you can see in my case, that the best drivers are already installed. Now, once you've done that, you want to make sure that your actual Windows operating system is up to date. To do that, come again to your taskbar at the bottom, and this time go ahead and type Windows Update into the search box. Then what you can do is click underneath Best Match where it says check for updates. So this is going to currently check for any available updates. If there's any updates, make sure to download and install, and once you've done that, restart your PC to apply the updates. Now, the final step after doing this is what you want to do from your desktop is come down to your search box, and this time you want to go ahead and type Services. Underneath Best Match, you should see Services come up. Give that a click to open up a window like this, and from here you want to find Nvidia. So this is in alphabetical order, so if you come down to N, and you should see a few services related to Nvidia. Now, what you need to do for each of these is actually right click onto each service, come down and click onto properties, and there's two things you want to check. So in the general tab, you want to come down and make sure the startup type is set to automatic, and it should say running. Now, if it doesn't say running, go ahead and click start, but of course any changes you do make sure to come down, click apply and OK. And you want to repeat this for all the Nvidia services. So you can see for myself, I've got the display container, frame view and local system. So you want to go ahead and check for all your Nvidia services to make sure they're all set to run automatically. And once that's done, just close down the services window. Again, come down, restart your system, and you should now be able to open up the Nvidia Control Panel. So that is how to fix Nvidia Control Panel not opening Windows 11. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.